So a lot of people ask about different color options. I know a lot of people are worried on, hey, if I pick a darker color, will it fade more? I guess the answer is yes and no. So like, I think it's gonna fade the same as white siding. I think the difference is you're gonna notice it more. If you pick James Hardy Midnight Black or James Hardy Deep Ocean, these are rich, dark, vibrant colors, and you're picking them because they're bold and they're rich, dark, and vibrant. There's gonna be the south side of your house gonna get a lot of sun, and 7, 8 years later, it's not gonna fade drastically, but it will not be as beautiful and bold and vibrant as the other three sides of the house. So the sun's undefeated, everything will fade. All colors are gonna fade. I think it's fair to say you're gonna notice it a little more in a darker color. I will tell you the vast majority of people though just get what they want. And so I've never had a homeowner one time call me and say my siding's faded, I'm not happy with my color. It's never happened one time. Even when I worked at James Hardy for 16 years, maybe once or twice in 16 years, I would hear about that happening. Not even saying it did. It's just something that it doesn't really come up with their James Hardy Color Plus technology. It's a multi-coat baked on finish. It's extremely durable. It's made with some UV inhibitors. So it's a fantastic product. And fading is just not something that's really come up. So I tell homeowners, pick the color you want and go with it. So some people are worried about, hey, if I have a dark color, is it gonna draw more sun? I think that's fair. You know, it probably will attract more sun. Again, I've never had any homeowner call me and say, hey, I used to have white siding and now I have midnight black. With us adding the house wrap and making sure everything's airtight, watertight, and then actually having like proper house wraps to keep that out. Normally people are calling me and telling me, hey, I see a noticeable difference in my energy savings. And dark colors have been the most popular for the last 20 years of James Hardy. So overwhelmingly every single year, people pick dark, rich, vibrant colors. I've never got callbacks from people saying, hey, this side of my house is really dark, or hey, I have an issue. It's just not something that's really ever come up. So when it comes to selecting different products, and whether it's products like James Hardy vertical siding or lap siding or James Hardy shingle siding, or even the color, do you go light on a ranch or dark? It really comes on to preference, okay? So it's not like there are plenty of bold ranches and there are plenty of bold two-stories, and there are plenty of bold Victorians. And so I do think there's different architecture that kind of lends itself. Like, I think people that have more Victorian homes and more craftsman homes, they like a lot of contrast. So we see a lot of dark colors with white trim. We see even some, kind of riskier colors on some of these homes, or custom colors, because it kind of lends itself to the architecture around it, the neighborhood, nature, the kind of style of home. So I think it's fair to say you do see some kind of bolder colors and custom colors on some of those homes. And a lot of times when you see ranches or two stories, if you have a lot of brick on the front or brick accents, you're kind of trying to match the whole ecosystem. You want all of your materials to match and blend together, which does limit your cover range a little bit. But I've seen really bold, visionary small homes and big homes and Tudors and Craftsman. And so it's a lot of it comes down to what you're working with, what color homes in your neighborhood. Do you have brick or stone or stucco? Are we working with that? How much greenery and nature and landscaping you have? And so certainly, if you're going to do white siding, you have a lot of rich landscaping and bold colors and flowers and annuals. That looks great, but I've seen people do that with kind of brown earth tone colors too. So a lot of it has to come down to what color are you selecting, that kind of how does it fit with your whole ecosystem of your home.